Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, I will discuss on how to load the HTML file using AJAX in jQuery. Before we continue, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and watching to all my video tutorials. I hope that every time that I post a new video tutorials, you have learned something new. And thank you also for the comments, the likes, the subscription, the support. I really appreciate those things, guys. So before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. Basically, here in the web page, we have here loading the HTML file using AJAX in jQuery. Now, the HTML file that we want to load, the name is result.html. When we click this load data, it will display this message: successfully loaded the HTML file in the web page created by Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Now, it seems for many these things is quite complex because we are using AJAX and jQuery. But first thing first to remember, guys, if you are working with AJAX, make sure you are working with your web server. In this example, I'm using SAMP, which has an Apache web server. Make sure that the port is running, the services rather is running, and then you copy all the files in the web server directory. In this case, in SAMP, we have here htdocs, and then we have here the folder AJAX. Now inside this folder, I have three files: the jQuery version 3.2.1 min, the JS, the results, and then the test. And then when you run in your browser, make sure you are using localhost. It depends if you upload this in your website, public underscore HTML, that is the default directory in your web hosting website. Now let us go to the code, how the code works. So basically, here we have here the HTML head, AJAX, the style, and then we have here the script jQuery, that means the JS version 3.2.1. so you cannot use that if that particular jQuery library file does not exist in your directory in your web server. So here we have here $document ready driver. When click staging load, this command in jQuery tells us when we click this button driver, it will load the result.html. Just this line of code will work if we do it correctly. So we have here the header to paragraph, click on the button to load the result.html file, and then the style of staging where it will be displayed. Okay, so basically the sharp stage will fall in this division ID, and then the driver will be goes here in the button which has the ID of driver, and then the result the same thing, and then I just put two header 2 successfully loaded the HTML file in the web page and created by Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Now when we try to run the code, just we have to type very simple ajax slash test dot html, press the enter key. When we click this button load data, it will display loaded without any refreshing HTML file in the web page created by Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. That's very simple. So we have done already on how to load the HTML file using AJAX and jQuery. Regarding with the source code, of this one, I will put a link in the description of this video tutorial so that you can download the complete source code from my website if you don't want to type. Thank you very much guys for watching. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.